I'm doing a video. You can do some talking if you want.
I don't want to talk.
You gotta focus.
Focus on sushi. Look at this white boy making sushi. Holy shit. Massage the rice. That's what I feel like I'm doing.
You just gotta make sure it's even.
Yeah. It's hard to do. It's so sticky.
Get all the corners.
Got it.
Black sesame seeds. Spicy noodles.
No. Spicy crab.
Spicy crab.
Crab stick.
Crab sticks.
Imitation crab.
Oh. So I'm very gullible. You told me it was spaghetti. Avocado.
I did tell you it was
You
spaghetti.
did. You lied to me.
Oh.
Terrible person.
This is gonna be smaller.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what he said.
And the trick for cutting that is to moisten the knife so it doesn't stick. Right down the middle. And then in thirds. Yay! Good job.